Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. In the last video we saw while loop. This video will be seeing for loop. So let us see how the for loop is written. First you have to initialize the iterative variable. Okay, I equals to 0 for I in range 5. So that means we are running a loop from I to 5. So fifth iteration is not executed, it will run up to 4 only. So we are printing I. Now see, in range 5 means every time by default it will increase the value of an iterative variable by 1. Now for the first time i's value is 0, it will print 0. For the next time i's value becomes 1, it increments the value by 1. Now it becomes 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. But as soon as it becomes 5, so that is run for only 5 times, that is from 0 to 4. The fifth iteration is not executed. This is the condition for less than. Okay, so it will run up to 4. So you will get this output, and I'll show you one more way. For the for loop, this is the syntax for I in range. Start means from which number you want to start, suppose from 1. Then end, what should be the end, suppose it is 10. But remember 10th iteration is not executed, it will run up to only 9. Okay, less than 10. Then jump, with how many iterations you want to jump. Now I'll show you the example here. For I in range 1, so the loop will start with 1, ends with 10 and with a jump of 2. Now print I. For the first time i's value is 1, with a jump of 2 it becomes 3. Again with a jump of 2 it becomes 5. Again with jump of 2 it becomes 7. Again with jump of 2 it becomes 9. Again with jump of 2 the value becomes 11. Less than 10, condition false. So loop will not execute further, and this is the output you are going to get for this code. Hope you understood this one. Hope to see in upcoming videos. For that press bell icon, subscribe the channel. Thank you.